Hey guys, welcome to Brown Yogi, and today to start with we have got some interesting news. The news comes from Gaurav Taneja, as we know him by the name Flying Beast. Now interestingly, DGCA has suspended two senior officials from AirAsia, and that is a good news for Gaurav Taneja because he has a case pending with AirAsia about the safety norms that they are not following. But for now, it's a very big win for Gaurav Taneja and we congratulate him for that. He, in a true sense, is a whistleblower, and to our YouTube community, it is a great sense of honor that a whistleblower like Gaurav Taneja has got his justice. Things are still pending, but whatever he has achieved till now in this case is a good to go. I hate to say, but I'm sick and tired of these big corporates who misuse their power, where people are driving their company but still they don't care about the safety norms. It is a big blow to AirAsia for their safety norms, and I believe these corporates should stop taking people for granted. As per my opinion, the top management should be toppled down and a new management should step in for better safety norms for AirAsia and its passengers. Next, we are hearing some good news from Zomato. Zomato has announced a period leave for its female employees, and that is a very good decision as per my knowledge and as per my opinion. But some newsmongers like Barkha Dutt, as usual, has stepped into this news, and as always she just wants to create headlines, and she is not happy with this decision as she thinks it is not a decision of equalism. Give it a break, Barkha. There are more issues that you can address than the good decision by Zomato company. And please keep your uncalled hierarchical liberalism to yourself. We don't need that, and we don't require your tweets also. We need good news in this bad period, and we have received that and we are happy with it. It is just like हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, आप क्या समझ रहे हो? I don't understand. And period leave has nothing to do with equalism, Barkha. Grow up. And to be frank, your tweets are as good as Alia Bhatt releasing her trailer of Sadak 2 on Twitter, which no one is going to see, or as we have heard, people are going to boycott. So good luck with your tweets. And now, in turn of events, Sachin Pilot has belly landed on Congress Airport again. So it is sure that he is not leaving the party. He is being loyal. The belly landing was guided by the control tower, aka Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi, who ensured a safe belly landing for Sachin Pilot. But now it would be interesting to see the cat and mouse game between Gehlot and Sachin Pilot again, because as we all know, the pair don't match up for a good Congress government in Rajasthan. According to me, when Sachin Pilot wanted to back out of Congress and leave the party, Gehlot should have given him a clean sheet and filed no complaint, or High Court orders should have been given against Sachin Pilot for his safe exit. By doing this, Mr. Gehlot would have garnered more goodwill amongst his party members and his allies, because as per his claims, he already has numbers. So why get into a tuffle? And adding more drama to the Maharashtra government and the Sushant Singh Rajput case, CBI has unearthed some call recordings between Riya and a person named AU. We all know what AU initials stand for in the Twitter community. So I don't know if it is going to be a big blow to the current government, or it is going to be a safe skip for the AU named person. And I wish right people are penalized and justice is served soon to Sushant Singh Rajput. With this, I take your leave. I wish you all good health, good luck, and stay fit. See you soon.